Welcome to the demo of Vid Empire AI. In this video, I'm going to show you why this is the best software for creating short-form videos for YouTube and TikTok Shorts. With just one keyword, you can generate tons of videos. Let me show you how. There are 3 modes: easy, advanced, and hyper. It's super fast. You just need to provide your keyword and it'll generate your script and handle everything for you from A to Z without you having to do anything. In the advanced mode, you'll have a few options to edit your script, change the voiceover, and do other things in the hyper mode. You'll have full control, full customization. You can edit the scripts, change the voiceover, adjust the captions, background music, and much more. So I'm going to select hyper mode to show you all those options. Let's click on hyper mode. This is the title of the project, Healthy Tips. Here goes my keyword, healthy diet and nutrition. These are the scripts we need. These are the 10 formats that work on social media. So if you're just creating videos that don't have any kind of hooks or any kind of format, they're not going to perform well. And that's why most video creators don't do well. Let's select a format, move on, break down the hook, and decide how many images you need in your video. Let's say you want 10 images. It has generated the script for us. It has generated 10 scripts for us so we can create all the videos at once. This is Hypermoon. You can generate the audio for all of these one by one. You can edit the script. You can select the voiceover from here. There are a lot of languages, so let's select I have a female option. Okay, let's use that. I'm just going to pick 2 or 3 videos so you get an idea of how it works. Let's generate one more video. One mode energy without caffeine crashes. Let me find one more. Let's try this one, generate audio. Okay, we just need to select this, click down, generate audio. Let's select a different voice proof. Okay, so now I'm going to generate these 3 videos. Next, I click on submit. The app will generate images for all the scripts. It's going to take a while. Once these images are generated, we will come back and see how they are. Okay, so the image for one of the videos is generated. Let's check it out. Here are the 10 images, and they look pretty good. Okay, so these are all selected by default. If you want, you can unselect any of them, but I'm going to keep all of these. They look great. We click on continue. Here you can do some editing. Let's say I want to add captions. We can select what kind of caption we want. I want to select this one. Then you can also edit the captions here. You can change your colors, font, and everything you want. Here you can add music. Select from all the beautiful music we have. If you want to change the transitions, you can switch to a different one and rearrange the slides, adjusting their order. You can make this the first slide. You can also change the directions if you want to add other elements like an image. We can do that as well. It's a very simple editor with very effective tools. You can add stock videos, set an image as a background, and if you want to add more slides, you can do that too. If you want to add any smileys, subscribe buttons, icons, or social media buttons, this is a fully fledged editor that you can use. Once you're satisfied, just click on submit and your video will be rendered in some time. Follow the same steps for these, and you will be able to generate 10 videos very quickly. It may take you about 5 to 10 minutes, and if you repeat the process for the next half hour, you can generate around 100 short TikToks or Reels. These are highly engaging due to the hooks, format, and script we use. You can go and dominate all over social media. So I hope you really like this demo video, and I will see you inside. Thank you so much. Okay, once this is over, I'm going to add the video that it generated so you can go and check it out. Thank you so much.
Feeling tired and overweight in your 40s? You're not alone, and here's why. As we age, metabolism slows, making weight loss tougher. But don't lose hope. Start by adding strength training to your routine. It boosts metabolism and muscle mass. Pair it with a protein-rich diet and watch the pounds melt away. Rediscover your energy and confidence today.